Sometimes I receive data that's been separated with tabs and has not been put into a table, and what I'd like to do is convert that text into a table so it's easy to manipulate and sometimes easier for others to work with. So I'm going to select these 6 lines of text just by dragging down the left, and I'm going to go to the Insert tab in my ribbon. I'm going to hit the drop down on the Table button, and I'm going to choose the option Convert Text to Table. When I do so, it basically at the bottom wants to know how is the text currently separated. Is it separated by paragraphs, commas, tabs, or some other character? The data is separated by tabs. And so because of that, it's deduced that there are actually 4 columns of data in 6 rows. Whereas if I said it was separated by paragraphs, it would calculate there's only 1 column of data. But I'll leave it on tabs and I'll click OK. And my data has been converted, or my text has been converted, into a table.